Yo, can today get any better? Like, can it actually get any better? Because it's actually really crazy. Because this morning, while I was recording the video, I was literally complaining about how I missed literally good setups, like different good setups this morning, just this morning, I mean. And just for me to also record my video and my screen wasn't showing, it was just showing like my home screen. Just use the break block. Like I was literally explaining my trade recap and it was just only showing my home screen. Bro, isn't it sad? Like what the hell? Oh my gosh, and I have to do this video again. I have to do this video again. But I'm just gonna, go over what I said. I'm not gonna make this video too long because I'm already tired. Because what the hell? Bro. So basically how I was able to get this trade was, I'm just gonna show you guys an example. It's very easy, like very easy stuff. You don't have to stress nothing, like literally nothing. But let me show you guys. Okay, so very simple stuff. Price created a lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Lower high, lower low, right here. We broke structure over here, so lower low, then broke this high right here. We add a market structure shift right at this point, or some people will call it a break of structure. We had a market structure straight right at this point, and I expect the price to retest into our level and continue buying from there, right? And that was exactly what price did. Price retested into our level, a key level, and we add this breaker block right here. We add this other block right over here, right? And I was honestly choosing this other block over here because you also add the fair value gap inside, much more valid. But then the breaker block also had a fair value gap inside, which I didn't realize until later. So price came into this breaker block instead and bought from there. Say we cover this lows, target 1 to 3, make the stop loss a bit smaller so I can get my 1 to 3, and I'm literally done for the day. Right, I actually saw this trade. This trade was playing real time while I was watching it, but I had my entry point over here, right on this other block right there, and I was expecting to target this highs right here. That was a good 1 to 3. I could build my stop loss a bit spaced to brief, and voila, literally simple as ABC. And the same thing happened to 3 different pairs. The same thing. Let me show you guys, right? Let me delete this. Higher high, I mean lower low. Bro, I'm not very good with my terminologies. I just mark and execute. That's it. That's just what I do with trading. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We came, broke the structure or market structure shift over here. Price retested into, we add levels like this other block, this breaker block over here as well, and obviously like they were around the same point, right? So I just basically used this other block and bought from there. This is Euro USD. Euro USD was actually cleaner than GBP USD. I was targeting this high right here, See that as soon as price took out that high, just started selling off. Got my 1 2 3 and was done. But guess what? I didn't even get the opportunity to take any of this trade. And why? Because I was scared. I don't even think scared is the word. Scared is not the word. I just hesitated. Like, I hesitated. Why? I honestly don't know. I wish I could tell myself why. I honestly don't know. It's just like part of trading psychology that is like messed up. And I don't know. Like, normally I don't hesitate when I see my trade, almost recently I don't hesitate anymore. When I see my trade, I take them. I've been so automatic than ever, but like this one just happened so quick, and I was supposed to be on that pace as well. So I'm actually very pissed, and I'm actually very sad that this happened. But what happens has happened. You just have to continue moving forward. So let me explain you as the CAD just on the 5 minute time frame. All you need is to break the structures to the high, make a structured shift, retest, and take your trade, right? But in this case, you as the CAD didn't do that, right? We had this higher high, higher low, right? We broke the structure, higher high, then we have a higher low, then higher high, then price have a market structure shift over here, right? Then what we were expecting, like the other pairs did, was to have a retest back into this break, into this other block that I marked over here, and continue selling. But price literally just didn't retest. It just moved, like it just moved on. So this would have actually been a missed trade if I had taken it, and this was my target, next low. So price literally came and just like this was so clean, like literally so clean, very very clean, like very clean, and it's simple. Break of structure, market structure shift, retest and sell. Like, and USD did that perfectly. Let me show you guys. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we have higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low. So we broke the structure. We changed market structure right here, and we also changed market structure right here. And look at that. See how after this break right here, price literally went down, retested the level, right? This there was a fair value gap, and there was also a breaker block right here, like literally on the same level. So take your entry right here and sold. USD did what USD CAD didn't do, literally. And Euro USD and GBP USD did very well, but Euro USD was much more cleaner than GBP USD. GBP USD played, but not from the level I wanted, so it would have been a missed trade. Euro USD played from the level I actually expected. Nice. USD CHF was a missed entry. Perfect. And USD CAD was a missed entry. Good. And then USD CHF came back to the entry I expected and sold off, like literally at the pip. I feel like I might have missed this trade because of spread, but it played out well. I'm going to actually journal these trades because I missed them and they were very very clean. I'm going to journal them, so the next time I see something like this happen, I know what to do, right? I know what to do. Like, I'm on a faster pace than normal, right? And this setup actually happened so fast. Like, they all happened so fast. So it was like, bro, literally. It's actually sad. It's sad, man. It's very sad. But this is part of like the market experience. This is part of what the market is actually teaching. And Okay, I hope this my screen was sharing. Cause bro, the last time I was so pissed. Like what the hell? Why bro? Like this is my second time. Actually my third time recording this video. But you know. I hope you guys enjoy it actually from the bottom of my heart. And I guess I see you guys next time. Yeah, trading psychology is not for the weak. Even trading itself is not for the weak at all. You have to be very, very willpowered. And this type of things happen. The most crazy things will happen in trading, but what actually matters is that you still stood up to it and you were still able to do the next thing forward. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was about 10-minute video. Oh my gosh, this is so long. But you guys should have a good day. Okay, bye, enjoy.